This is a winkhaus rim cylinder that I got today. This is another one of the locks that I got from Dust Bunny Locks on eBay. I'm not exactly sure which model it is, but it's got a pretty decent keyway on it. I set the key somewhere. Okay. It's a 5-pin lock. That's the bitting. I believe number 5 is zero lift. But to get into it, I'm gonna use Cobra Instruments tension pry bar in 25 thousandths, and I might switch between a Peterson standard hook and then a Jimmy Long's. So I'm going to come off this corner. I'm going to try to get this pick underneath the pin. Maybe something on one. Definitely something on a 2. So 1, 2. I think I overset something. Try this again. 1. 1, 2. something on 3, something on 4, all right. I'm gonna check 1, check 2. 3. Of course, now I'm having a hard time getting under there. So, check 1, check 2. Alright, there's 3. And then I hit 4 and it moved a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to go back to the longer hook. So 1, 2, 3. 4. Yep, number 5 is a zero lift, but that is the winkhaus rim cylinder. After the week I've been having with picking, it was nice to get something and actually get it open.